Oh my goodness. What is this guy doing?
What is going on here?
What are you doing? What an, oh yes, dash cams. Dash cams Australia!
But it was a later flight, and I wasn't going to land in Austin until like close to 10 p.m. So I rescheduled. I found it's a terrible flight, but I found LAX to San Francisco to Austin. I got back like 5 hours earlier. So I rebooked it.
Fucking.
That morning, flew LAX to San Francisco. I was really hungry, but there was only like a 5-minute time I had to connect.
By hearing loss, take a 5-minute online hearing test. And for a limited time only, get up to $6,000 cash back on selected devices at Bloom Hearing Specialists. Terms and conditions apply. For more info,
Holy shit!
Whoa!
Whoa!
You got that on Dash, right?
Yeah.
Should we tell him?
Let me pull over.
Gotcha. Tell you what, start that other one, you can claim Everest after that. Well done. See you in a minute, mate. Thanks, man. Have a good one. What the fuck? Fuck me, dude.
Holy guaca freaking moly!
Is he a psycho?
Studios Promotions and Marketing. We have Bob, who is at work as well with Meg. We've got Labrador called I'm not sure what. Ziggy at work. We've got them everywhere. And here's Border Collie Millie. If you have a look, australiaw.com.au, more dog pictures than you'll ever see.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Did you see that? Holy fucking Christ. As a car was coming the other way. That's going on. Dashcam Owners Australia.
what an idiot.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.